Hello everyone. It's quite a while. When we say affiliate marketing, we move around, we sell different things. But I'm back here because I've been getting so many messages concerning some people wanting to know how to sell their affiliate product and they don't have money. So on this topic, I'll be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing using the best online app, which is Fairmoney app. How to make money with affiliate marketing using the best online app, Fairmoney loan app. I'll be telling you the advantages of the app and the disadvantage. Fairmoney is an online app where they borrow people's money. So as an affiliate, do you think you want to promote your product? No matter the product you sell, you can borrow money from the app, just a small money, then you pay it back after running your adverts and you make some money. But note, don't borrow money when you don't have the means of paying back. Don't borrow money when you don't know how to run adverts, when you are not an expert, because the loan app is not just to borrow money without knowing when to pay back. You have to pay back because your BVN will be collected and some of your information will be collected. Though they don't send SMS to people like some other apps. Let's go. What you will do is that the app link is under this video. Click on the link. It will take you to Fairmoney app, or you can just, after downloading the app, they will ask you for a code. My referral code is there, which is 2CZRN. You can enter it so that I can also get some benefits, some bonus. But when you log into the Fairmoney app, the app is like this. They will ask you to make a sign up. So I've already registered. I don't need to sign up. What I would do is just for me to do a login. Here we are. I'm already logging into my own account. But if you are just starting, they will ask you some few questions. Your name, your what you do, like how much you earn, and you are going to drop the phone number of the bank that you used to receive SMS from your bank. The phone number you are going to use to register is the number that they normally send for you to receive an SMS. So it is from there they are going to do their verification to know the kind of amount of money they are going to give to you. It is just as easy as that. So after doing the registration, they will now ask you to view your offers. You know, this is mine. I used to save money here too. So at times I buy recharge card, I send money to people. You can use it to send money. You can use it to, you can add money. This is their ATM card. I've gotten it, but I have not registered it. That's why you are seeing this new there. So I still have 174 naira there in the account. So for me to view the offers I'm eligible to collect now, I'll click on this this offer. You see, you click here. So once you click on this offer, you will click on this amount. The amount I'm eligible to get is 250,000 naira. I don't want to borrow money. I'm just trying to use this video for others that wants to borrow money to run their apps or do some other businesses. So your account might be larger than this. They might give you 1 million. The highest they can give is 1 million. They can give you 500,000. They can give 700,000, and they might not give you. They might give you something that is not up to that. So this is the period they want me to use and pay the 250,000 naira. That is if I'm borrowing. So as you can see, they split it from, if I collect it now, it means I'll be paying, the next one I'll be paying is 21st of September, which is 52,778 naira. Then October, November, until next year May, So the total money you are going to pay is 475 naira total. If I click on this, take action now, you see they are going to bill me and they are going to pay. I'll start paying the money monthly, but I'm not taking the loan. So I'm not taking the loan, I'm just showing you. But in case what they give you, you can give as low as 1,500, 2,500, 5,000, 10, 20. Let's say if you want to borrow 20,000 naira now, so you just click on the loan period down here. So if you want to pay the next 2 weeks, this is the amount. Let me click next 2 weeks. They will split it for you. You are going to pay 23,000 naira. You understand? 23,140. That's the total money you are going to pay. But let's say you are paying the next 6 months. So they are going to split it for you too. If you are paying the next 6 months, this is your total money, 34,000 naira 480. So 34,480 naira. That's what you'll be paying. So the monthly payment is going to be 5,747 naira. That is the amount to be paying every month, starting from 21st of September, then October again, November, December, until February next year. But in case you have your money, you want to clear everything at once, fine and good. So they will clear it. Then the next one they are going to give to you is going to be bigger than the one they've approved for you. You might write 100,000 naira and they might decide to give you 30 or 40,000 naira. Depends on the amount that is entering your account when you are doing the registration. Because I told you earlier on that the number you are going to drop is the number of the bank you normally receive SMS. The number that your bank normally sends SMS to you. That is the phone number you are going to drop for your registration. So they might decide to give you 20,000. They might decide to give you, in case you want to collect 50,000 naira, let's come here, click 50,000. Then let's see the loan period. If it's for 6 months, you are going to use 50,000 naira to pay 86,000 naira. You understand? So like I always tell some people, at times one might need money to do different things and you might not just get it. So if you know that the business you want to do is going to bring you profit, you can go ahead even without, in a week you can even pay back the money and still get your own profit. So what are the advantages that I see in this money app is that you will get money to do whatever you want to use your money for. Like my affiliate marketers, you can use it to run lead generation advert on Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Then when you make your money, then you pay back and you move on. But before you do this, I will advise that you are an expert in digital marketing. If you don't know how to run a profitable advert, you can still contact me. I will give you a one-on-one tutorial. We'll talk about it. Just private message me in my inbox. Then also, they don't normally send SMS to your contacts, unlike other loan apps that used to send SMS to people. They don't send SMS to people. That's another advantage for this Fairmoney loan app. Then they also have their ATM cards, whereby you can use it to withdraw at any POS or any ATM machine around. Then the only disadvantage I see about it is that their interest rate is high. So if you know what you are doing, that you are sure that your business is going to be profitable, you are going to get your interest back, you can just go ahead and get it. But if you are not working and you don't have a skill to generate money, I don't advise you to go for the Fairmoney loan app or any loan app at all. Don't do it. So that is that. In case you want to run adverts, you don't have money to do that, you can come to this loan app, Fairmoney loan app, download the app, get my code, my referral code, slot it in when you are doing your registration, so that I can also have a little tips of what is coming in. They are not going to deduct your money. It's Fairmoney that is going to settle me, so don't be scared. So just put in my code. It's on the screen, and I'll also put it in the link below. It's 2CZRN. That's my code. So for more other content on digital marketing, don't forget to contact me. I'm still remain your one and only Tayo Hoyebanji. Take care and peace until we meet again. Bye.